Meet SitaWare BattleCloud, the latest service offering from Systematic Defence, designed to keep the future force ahead of the fight. SitaWare BattleCloud gives you access to a world of computing and data resources for your C4ISR. This allows you to deploy and scale SitaWare and its add-ons wherever you are, offering greater flexibility and agility. SitaWare BattleCloud provides access to our advanced AI capabilities, enhancing collaboration and supporting modern operational needs, including highly mobile and distributed headquarters. Already in use in NATO, our SitaWare suite allows you to plan, execute and adapt with precision and at pace. Prepare your force for the future with SitaWare BattleCloud today.